Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Japan's recovery from a major tsunami. Following the devastating event, Japan launched an extensive and coordinated recovery effort. The government quickly mobilized significant resources, allocating over 31 trillion yen for reconstruction. This massive undertaking involved not only rebuilding physical infrastructure, but also providing crucial support to affected communities. International assistance and numerous volunteers played a vital role in the immediate humanitarian response and ongoing recovery. Rebuilding the physical landscape was a monumental task. Roads, railways, and thousands of homes were reconstructed, often with enhanced resilience. Coastal areas saw the construction of massive seawalls, some reaching over 15 meters in height, to provide robust protection. Additionally, some communities were entirely relocated or elevated by as much as 9 meters, moving them to higher ground for increased safety. Debris removal was also a huge initial effort. The economic and social fabric of affected regions also saw remarkable revival. Many industries, including manufacturing, agriculture, and fishing, resumed operations, contributing to economic stability. Government initiatives provided crucial support for local businesses and generated new employment. Furthermore, extensive psychosocial programs and community centers were established to help survivors cope with trauma and rebuild vital social connections. Learning from the experience, Japan significantly enhanced its disaster preparedness. Early warning systems for earthquakes and tsunamis were strengthened, providing crucial minutes for evacuation. Regular, comprehensive evacuation drills became a standard practice in schools and communities nationwide. Innovative technologies, such as drone-based alert systems, were also introduced to improve communication and response efficiency during future emergencies, aiming to save more lives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.